This is Abigail. She is now almost 2.5 days old. She's getting feeding, right, little sweetie? Hi, Angel. Hi, Abigail. She's getting fed right now. See how tiny she is? See, my finger is bigger than her. Half my finger is bigger than her whole head. Hi, sweetie. Hi.
You're pretty.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, Abigail.
Hi, little
Hi,
love.
little angel.
I like your little hat. It's perfect. Look at the little finger. Oh, goodness. You're perfect, Abigail. You're perfect.
Oh my goodness.